This is a presentation for my final project. For this project, for my final project, I created a Django-based web application that helps people in the car maintenance business to like track all the vehicles informations and schedule maintenance, and keep records of all the vehicles they're working with, and also pull reports of how their business is doing, all the income and all that stuff. So the program basically uses Django and SQLite 3 for database and all that. And we're gonna look into it. So this is the views page, and it has everything, including the code on the backend code for the vehicle list. All the vehicle details. Add vehicle, edit. It can do all edit, delete, all the CRUD operations, and also it's gonna create the graph for generate the graph for the cost and all that stuff. Pull reports for how the business is working. I do have the URLs. This is the main URLs for the vehicle maintenance tracker, and then there is the one for the maintenance, maintenance URLs. This has all the URLs for all the pages, the vehicle page and the maintenance page and the reports and all that. I also have a base HTML. This is the main HTML page, and will be used to that is what will design the page, and then all the other pages, the home page, the cost report page, and vehicle page, the forms and maintenance, they're gonna use that as base. We can go ahead and run. I'm obviously gonna use the the command prompt to run this, and I'll just do the python manage py run server command. We're gonna wait for that to load, and then there you go. Now that it's active, oh wait a minute, this is not the one I want. Yeah, here you go. I'm gonna do the 8000 and run that. Then this is the main home page of the Django website, and so here you can add vehicle, add maintenance, or view cost. We're gonna see these pages first. Oh yeah, this is the dashboard, and then we have the vehicles. I already input a few just for example. This is how it's gonna look, and the more vehicles the user adds is gonna pile up in here. And also this is the maintenance page, and then the reports. So when a new customer comes in, first thing is first, the user is gonna ask for make, model, year, VIN, and current mileage, and we can do a sample. I'll just do something real quick. I already have a Camry, so I'll just do it. And then year, and then VIN number. This is gonna take a lot of time to come up with VIN numbers, so I just use this VIN generator to just come up with a random VIN, paste it there, and then the current mileage. This is a 2025 car, so I'll just say 14 miles, 140 miles, and then add vehicle. So once the vehicle is added, and then the user can go ahead and add services right there, right then, for the vehicle. This is gonna collect all the list of the vehicles. They're just gonna be up here. Then the user can use the drop down to just select which car they want to schedule for maintenance, and then the service type that is required. I'm just gonna go there and do the filter replacement, And then service date, since they came in today, it will say like, hey, bring your car in tomorrow, and just put the date. And then it was on 140, I'll just be like, now it's at 142. How much it's gonna cost to do a filter replacement? I'll just say 120. And then any notes the user wants can add right there. I would say should be done by noon, something like that. Then probably schedule for the next service date. I'll give him a 6-month period since it's a new car, so it'll be like from July, come back in December. So then next service mileage, if not that, then you can come when you're probably 1,000 miles. And then add record. So that's gonna schedule the vehicle for maintenance. You can see that here. And then the status, you can change the status and all that. You can view a record and change it, edit if you want to do it, or just leave it like that, or even delete. And then you're gonna see the reports is right here, and I used different graphs since that was the requirement for the final project. And that way the user can pull reports on any vehicle or the entire business. Since this was in the future, there is no record yet, or maybe there's no price or something like that. Yeah, can do for all vehicles, and that will pull reports. The more the vehicles the user is working on, the more accurate or the more data the user can collect, and can change these filters at any given time. Thank you.